I would love to share my customized Premiere Pro keyboard shortcuts. Speed is a really important aspect in editing. Many people normally use the Premiere Pro's default shortcuts, but that's where the problem comes in. The default shortcut may not fit everyone's style of editing. For example, it might be too cumbersome to press Command K every time you want to add edit. So instead of you trying to adapt yourself to the default shortcut, why not create one that suits you? You can customize your own by going to Premiere Pro and Keyboard Shortcuts. Here, let's say you want to customize Add Edit. Just double click and press the new shortcut, let's say V. Or you can try mine. I'll include the file in the description below. Here's my thinking process when setting up my own customized shortcuts. I mainly use my left hand on the keyboard, so I want to have most of my shortcuts set on the left hand side and make sure the key combinations are simple and easy to reach. So here I want to show you some of my customized shortcuts that really help you speed up your editing. If you use the default shortcut, you need to press Command K to add edit. But now, you just have to press V and it will cut the footage. V and V. If you are coming from Final Cut Pro, you might find my shortcuts are similar. Now, if you want to select these two, you can highlight it, or you can press T and click like that. Sometimes you want the footage selected when you move the playhead. So here I will use C key to activate the selection follows playhead. So now whenever you move your playhead, it will select the footage under it. It's really useful. Now instead of you add edit, delete and delete like that, it will be nice to press Z. What it does, it cuts the footage, delete it, and ripple delete. Same thing with the tail. If you want to cut, delete, and ripple delete, what you need to do now is just press X, something like that. Now if you want to zoom out, just press 1. It's easier to reach from your left hand. And zoom in, of course, 2. Now let's say you want to adjust the volume. Now you can press 3 to lower it down, or shift 3 to lower it many, and 4 or shift 4 to gain many. Now if you want to have the transitions, just press Command T to have both video and audio transitions. If you just have video transition, just press Q. Same thing, if you just want to have audio transition, just press W. Now even I customized my own delete button so that it's easier to reach with my left hand. Instead of you pressing delete key on the right side of the keyboard, now you just have to press Shift D to delete, or press D to ripple delete. For the rest of the shortcuts, you can go to my shortcut list. You can see more here, or you can go to my document that I will include in the description. I hope you find this useful. Thank you for your support, and see you in the next video.